Hey everyone, welcome back. If Qwen's notifications are driving you crazy or just distracting you, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick tutorial, I will show you step by step how to turn off notification on Qwen in just a few simple taps. So let's get started. First, open up the Qwen app on your device and make sure you are logged in. Once you are in the home page, tap onto your profile icon, click onto the setting option, and scroll down and tap on notification or app preferred depending on your version. Here you will see an option like push notification. Now in here you can just on-click it and the notification will be off. That's it. You have now successfully turned off notification on Qwen. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. And comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.